So you've downloaded Big Maths Beat That, and at this stage you may well have implemented the Learn It's challenges and the Click challenges, and if you've got that right, the children are having a lot of fun watching their scores go up as you celebrate with them, and you're probably beginning to think about responding to what those challenges are telling you in terms of the proportion of children that are at the age-related expectation, and what about the children that are underneath that, the children that are off track if you like, and how we're going to begin to plug those gaps. We do recommend that you begin to look at implementing the Click journey in full, because the Click challenges actually have a whole framework of steps called the Click framework that we use. So it's very useful to begin to look at delivery and perhaps teaching through Click as you move forwards. However, you might want to start looking at implementing the third part of Big Maths Beat That, which you've also got access to now you've downloaded. It also comes with teacher notes, which are well worth reading for more information. As with the Click challenges and the Learn It's challenges, there are a progression of challenges there. For the SAFE challenges, there are 20 different challenges, and we call them the SAFE challenges because the word SAFE is a little acronym that we use for shape, amounts, which you might think of as measures, and fractions, and explaining data. So those are the aspects of the maths curriculum that SAFE Maths covers. Now there are 20 progressive challenges for SAFE Maths, and as with the Click challenges and Learn It's challenges, the first thing for the teacher to find out is which SAFE challenge each child is on. So we can start off with a nice easy one, perhaps move them through onto the next one, and eventually we're going to find the SAFE challenge where they don't get 10 out of 10 for the first time, and that's where the child is at. As with the other challenges, we can also wrap around the age-related expectation so that immediately and easily we can see which children are on track and which children are off track. Again, we would look at the proportion of children that are on track for the SAFE challenges, and we would begin to respond to that by planning to keep those children on track. But most importantly, we begin to look at the children that are off track, and we can see the gaps that they've got there. And again, with SAFE Maths, there's a teaching and learning framework that sits underneath, which you might choose to go off and use to help drive that progress and get all of those gaps plugged and get the children back on track. So Big Maths Beat That is a huge lever for intervention. And if you get it right, it will become the driving force behind raising standards in school as you begin to really push forward with every single child's maths journey.